Okay guys, hope you're well. We're about to go to market on the small account. So let me set that up, play the intro, and we'll crack on. And a warm welcome to one and all. Now we're still working on this. What we can see, there's been a colossal drop here in a single hour. It's pulled back and now it's just pulling against this particular move here. So I don't particularly need this fib here anymore. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to look to see what's going on with this one. Now, it's come to an area of interest, as we can see, and it seems to be bouncing in and around this area here. Now from here, get a fib, pull that up onto there. Where we're at, well, we're running into the 23, so that's a testing point, and the 50 is down here. So if I drop it into 15 minutes, be able to see what's going on, and it's coming down, bouncing the moving average, so 38 can be a good target point. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to drop an order. I'm going to start it off at 50 pence. I did that yesterday and all, you know. So it's going to be a sell stop, and we're going to take it down underneath the order. Just put an arbitrary target in for now, which is there. So we're going to be underneath this particular candle, which is here, and we're going to surge down into there. Now we don't need a great deal. If I just pull up my sheet, be able to show you how much we need, or at least we will do in just a second when I find it. It's too early, boys and girls. Don't do early morning. Right, so we'll pull this up. As you can see, I'm not really worried that the price is moving against me. In fact, the further it moves up, the better. Now this is this is what's called a Kylie setup this morning. So we're looking for 568. We just coasted along. My profit split so far over the last few days is 153. So be a nice little pop into there. So we'll drop that onto here. So how much is this worth? Well, if we're looking for 553, I've done the same thing what I did yesterday. That's annoying. Right, put the order back in. Drop it to there. That's better. Move that down. There we go. That's better. Right. That's worth 11 quid. So I actually only need to get to probably about here, the base of this lot. So that's more than doable. So just drop that to there. Right, it's just gone into market as we speak. So what I can do now, just add these in. I'll put 50p in. So it's that. Currently at 1958, still running at 10% on the day. We've upped that to 50, and what we're looking at is, it's gold. We're looking at a Kylie retracement. Kylie retracement. We are still short selling gold at this moment in time. I am absolutely knackered after last night's meeting, and it's the morning surge. Now, there we go. Happy days. So that's all set up. Now I can stage this up if I so wish. You know, where am I going to stage it to? Well, it's a long way. I'll have to stage it up to here if I'm going to fight the market. But hopefully this will be in and out relatively quickly, and that'll be that. So let me just play it out and I'll come back to you when it's... Okay, boys and girls, job's done. It's a bit hard work this morning, waiting for the push to come down. But in it's come, and we've got 663. So let me just quickly update that sheet. So it's a 191 and a 472. Okay. Remember, we only need to achieve 568. That's all I'm looking for each day. I've more than accomplished that, so I'm quite happy. You know, this is something I would like to work on, which is the investment target. 920 is what I'm after, and I only did 663. But this is the cherry on the cake, if you like. What I'm interested in is this daily target, which will ensure that I hit the monthly target, and then anything from that means I get paid. And at the moment, I get paid 50% of the gross P&L. That's the way that this operates. So I'm quite happy, and I was kind of right to pull it out where I did to a degree, and that's it. So again, we just tittle along forward, do this every morning. Don't tempt the markets, don't chase the markets. Just get in, get your money, get out, do it again tomorrow. Simple as that. So where do we go from here? Well, I think
Coffee.
Coffee. Hey, what's them on there for? You tell me off for doing that. I'm going to get it wrong now.
No,
Sorry, boys and girls.
I'm going to take them downstairs, but not having a kitchen, it's quite tricky.
Yeah, we aren't getting the kitchen done. But she does. She kicks off for me putting things on there because I stained it a few times.
No, I said you shouldn't put things on the dining table without a cover underneath.
Well, there's that as well. I'm always getting wrong.
Scratch it.
I'm always getting wrong. Okay, boys and girls. So there we go. So, as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.